Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 7147 Delmar. I guess they had an inspection done on this house. They found a bunch of roots in the cast iron. I'm out here in the trap, out in the yard, in the back of the back of the house here, next to the garage and the driveway. When I first ran my camera in here, I found a bunch of roots right in this area, and that's what the last person inspected said. There's big ball of roots in there. And I got it in there, and there's a bunch of roots right in this area. This right here is where we're at now, going into the house. The line going straight here, I believe that's going to tie for the gutter on the right side of the house, next to the driveway, facing the front of the house towards Delmar. And as you see, there's a Y here. This other to the right there, you'll see that's where the upstairs, the second floor bathroom, closest to Delmar, has its own 4-inch stack there, and that's what that's tying in there. We were able to cut some roots out, get the cable in there. I had to run from out here and run in there. You see, we got some more roots here still on the side. Like I said, I was able to get a 2-inch cutter in there. It's about the biggest cutter I can get in there. It's a 4-inch cast. I had about 2.5 inch cutter. So you cut some of them roots back there. We'll go ahead and locate, mark this. I'll be right back. Alright, went ahead and located, marked the spot full of roots here. I had some roots in the side there growing in. It's in the basement there. It's about a foot deep, 11 inches, a foot. I'll keep pulling back and show you what this line looks like. So this cast iron had some heavy scaling. Like I said, I ran that cutter back and forth through here pretty good. Looks like there might be a small crack at the top of the line there. Right here we got another Y. I believe that's going to be the other bathroom tying in with it there. Here we are, we got a bunch of roots growing in right here. Go ahead and locate and mark this spot. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located and marked this spot in the basement. It's also about 11 inches deep, about a foot. Keep going back, show you what this looks like. So here we are at the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast iron and 6-inch clay pipe out here outside the foundation. Go ahead and pull back, show you what this looks like. Here we are at the trap. So this is where it comes out of the trap out here in the backyard next to the garage. So go ahead and try and run this camera out to the main. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera ran out to towards MST's line. It looks like this line's tying right into a manhole here. See all the bricks. So, go ahead and pull back, show you what this line looks like. Got a little bit of roots there on the side, nothing bad though. Another small amount of roots. Yep, and here we are at the trap. So everything out towards MST's line looks okay. Like I said, I found a couple spots of roots there in the cast iron down in the basement. But other than that, everything else looks to be good. Alright, thank you.